Hello everybody, welcome back to Bootstrap Workbench. Today I'm working on a 12 volt regulated power supply, model PS-107. The issue that I've run into is the power switch on the front of the unit has fallen apart. And so what I've done is I went on Amazon and I ordered a couple of switches. I hope that they fit. We're about to see here in just a moment. So I will be right back once I get the old switch out. Well, folks, this is what you run into sometimes. The switch that I ordered is 1 millimeter different in one dimension than the other switch, and so it doesn't fit. I'm going to have to use a file to enlarge the hole. So I will get started on that, and then once I've got that hole enlarged and got the switch installed, I will come back and we'll finish up this process. All right. Well, I got the new switch installed. What I ended up doing was I marked and cut the hole with my... I marked the hole and then cut it with my cutoff wheel on my Dremel tool. I figured that would be a lot faster than trying to use a file. I was going to show you how I had cut the hole, but I went to test fit the switch and it snapped right in, and I don't like to try to get those back out after I've snapped them in. The cut is not great. I don't know if you can see that there, but the bezel of the switch covers it fairly well. So I'm going to go ahead and solder these wires back on. On the original switch, the wires weren't even through the holes. They were just tack soldered down. So I'm going to make sure that I clean these terminals up and then solder them correctly. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I will come back and we will test this power supply out. All right, everybody, I'm back. The switch is installed. Everything is wired up correctly. I've got the power supply plugged in. I have my meter hooked up, and we're ready to switch on and see if A, this works, or B, it catches on fire. It's probably one of the two. So let's find out. And this power supply, 15.18 volts. From a 13.8 volt power supply. So I'm going to have to find if there's an adjustment on here and adjust that. But the switch is working. It's lit up. I'll go ahead and show you the internals of the power supply. The construction is pretty shoddy. Like I said, the terminals weren't soldered correctly. If you look at this board, it's not done very well. Some of the connections over here are not great, and there are various other things here. So, I'm not going to touch anything because it's on, it's plugged in, but we'll go from there. Looks like it's working, so everybody have a great day, and thanks for watching.